Hello and welcome to this video. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about a very important concept called life cycle of any trading system. In absence of this, what happens? People do a lot of mistakes, and this is what I'm going to cover in this video on why it is important for you to understand the life cycle of any trading system.
Hi, I'm Harshit Mohan. I am a stock market investor and trader by passion. I am father of a lovely daughter, husband of a loving wife, and I'm also the founder of Peaceful Wealth Community.
Alright, so let me tell you what do I mean by life cycle. Okay, by the way, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button and stay connected with me with the further updates that I'll be giving to you. Right, so the life cycle, let's start with that. What is a life cycle? Basically, it means that what are the different phases that any trading system goes through, right? Whether you have an option selling system, option buying system, risk defined strategies, risk undefined strategies, anything, like any system that you follows a particular phase, right? It has certain phases. Now what are those phases? Let me show you. So typical trading system will look like this. On the x-axis we have we have time. On the x-axis we have time, and on the y-axis we have the profit. Okay, I hope you understand. Now when you start following any system, it will give you some profits. Okay, you will enjoy those profits, and suddenly you will see the profits have started to come down, and then it goes into a negative zone for some time. It remains in the negative zone for some time, and then again it comes up. Okay, it again comes up, again it becomes profitable for a certain period of time. It gives you good money, it gives you happiness. Again it goes into a drawdown mode, and again it comes up and gives you profits. So if you see, the profit section is giving you more, like the profits are basically more, right? And the losses are actually little lesser compared to the profits that you are making. Okay, so this is the quality of any good trading system. Any good trading system will give you more profits and less losses. But every trading system will follow a cycle like this. Whatever you follow, it will have these phases, these up phases and these drawdown phases. Now typically what happens, why it is important for you to understand this, let me tell you. So typically when a trader starts following any system, the person will experience some profit for some time. So the person will be happy that okay, he's making money, he will feel confident, and as soon as the person starts increasing the capital, it suddenly comes down to this drawdown zone, the loss zone, right? So because you have increased the capital, your losses will also be more, right? So if you have made a profit of 1 lakh rupees in this profit zone, here you may have a loss of 2 lakh because you had increased your capital. And in this particular duration, when this particular system is under the drawdown phase, right, 99% traders, they lose their confidence in this system. And what they do, they go to some other trainer, they start following some other system, and whatever system they switch to, the new system also goes through the same phase. So when they join that new system, they will also experience some profit, and suddenly that new system will also go into a negative zone, and there also they will start facing some losses. So they will keep switching system to system, technique to technique, as and when they start facing losses. But they don't realize that this is how any trading system works. This is a natural cycle. This is cycle of every trading system. So important thing for you to understand right now is, what is the takeaway for you? The takeaway for you is, unless and until you have not experienced all the trading phases, all the phases of a trading system, don't increase your capital, number one, and number two, don't change the system. Okay, first experience all the phases, which may take few weeks to few months, and only then you start thinking about changing the system or increasing your capital. All right. So when you are in the losses period, just understand that okay, it is normal. You can stop trading for that particular week or for particular duration, or maybe you can reduce the quantity for that particular duration, right? And wait for that system to come into the profit zone again. Wait for it to come in this section again, and then only you can start. So the takeaway from this video is, don't be discouraged by losses, because the losses are part of any good system, and every good system will have more profits and less losses, right? When you are in losses, just stay strong. Don't do trading, just stop doing trading. Watch it for some time and wait for it to come to the profit zone again, and then you again resume with it. But if you keep changing system to system and system to system, one day you will feel exhausted and you will stop doing trading completely, and you will say goodbye to stock market. So this is how 99% of population in stock market behave when they face a profit or loss scenario. I hope you will not you will not do that, because now you understand what is a life cycle of a trading system. And with this, let me end this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have found it useful, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.